We are the first generation to feel the effect of climate change and the last generation who can do something about it. This was a quote by Barack Obama. If you happen to visit my apartment complex, you would notice that we give a lot of importance to trash. And let's say that you expressed your curiosity to one of the housekeeping members. He may enthusiastically drag you to show the garbage storehouse to you. You might be wondering, all of this hoopla for something yucky and disgusting like garbage. But do you know how much space we Mumbaiites are just using for dumping our garbage? Mumbai's largest dumping ground, Deonar, is 326 acres big and 114 feet tall, which is around 11 or 12 stories high. Mumbai's second largest landfill, located in Mulund, had to be shut down in October 2018 as it was filled to its capacity. We have 5 more landfills, which will soon fall short of fulfilling our city's needs. In my apartment complex, we have 250 apartments and used to dump around 6 tons of waste each month. The waste used to contain plastic in various forms, broken glass bottles, paper, and the usual stuff that we freely throw into our trash cans. Do you see the problem over here? Yes, just like you, a member of a society was sure about what had to be done. Because of his conviction and tenacity, we managed to decrease the amount of waste disposed by 66%. To begin with, we had an orientation where all the members and staff of the society were called. They were taught about the basics of segregation of waste. There are 3 bins: red, blue, and green. The red one contains reject waste such as diapers, sanitary napkins, syringes, etc. These are taken by the BMC trucks to the landfills. The blue bin contains dry recyclable waste such as pizza boxes, metal cans, unbroken glass bottles, etc. We sell these materials to scrap dealers at regular intervals, and the income generated by this is then distributed among the housekeeping staff responsible for waste management. Last but not the least, the green bin is a gold mine. It contains biodegradable waste such as eggshells, fruit and vegetable peels, rotten food items, etc. We make this into compost through in-house processing, and then it is used in our lawns and other landscaped areas too. Imagine this happening in every household of the city. If not more, we will surely decrease the amount of waste disposed by 2/3. So let's take the small responsibility of segregating our waste properly onto our shoulders and help unburden the earth. Thank you.